Coming up in this episode, I get out on the squirrels on Good Friday as Robin kindly offers to record my session. No, not this Robin, this Robin. You're watching.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Good Friday and I am out in the squirrel hide trying to shoot squirrels. It's the first time out with the S510 and the power combo on the squirrels. I've had 2 or 3 good rutting sessions with it already and it's performing brilliantly. I've got the pulsar accolade 2 with me this morning, nice bit of kit, wouldn't be without it nowadays. I'm using the JSB Diablo Exact Jumbo. So I put a target up on the squirrel feeder this morning and put a couple of rounds into it, and it was pellet on pellet. I hope you're enjoying the videos that I'm putting up on the channel. If you do, smash that subscribe button. Hopefully it's going to be a productive morning. Thanks for watching.
So a quick check of zero of the rifle. As you can see, it's pellet on pellet. So now we're all settled in and just waiting for the first squirrel to arrive. So I've been sat in the hide for around 45 minutes. As you can see, I'm looking through the pulsar accolade and I've just picked up a heat source at the back of the trees in some bushes. It is actually a squirrel, as you will see. Now let's take a look at the same area but using the normal camera. To the naked eye you can't see anything, So in these situations, having thermal is a big advantage picking up your quarry, but not so much of an advantage for the quarry, unfortunately.
I think we've got our first customer. Yeah, he's making his way up to us.
Oh, steady there, mate. I don't want you falling out the tree before you get to me. Now at this point I'd actually thought he'd seen us, but the lure of the food was just too much for him.
Well, that's the first one down of the morning session. Happy with that. Shot placement looked really good. Nice clean kill. Straight to the floor. Can't get no better than that. Let's hope that we don't have to wait too long for number 2 to show up.
Right guys, while I have your full attention, check out this epic ratting session I had with Robin a few weeks back. Something not to be missed. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on some great footage. Right, let's get back to the squirrel action. So it was a good while since the first squirrel was accounted for. So I picked up this second squirrel at a good distance. I hit the rangefinder, but unfortunately it was picking up the branches beforehand, so it was giving me a false reading. It was a good while before it actually got up to us, but it would just not commit to climbing up onto the feeder. It then disappeared for a good few minutes and we thought it had spotted us. Then something caught my attention out my right eye. It was our furry friend making another appearance. You can see me let Robin know that it's back. I made the decision to take it on the floor as I didn't think it would make it up onto the feeder. It made the mistake of being still long enough for me to take a clear shot to the back of the head, and that was it. Game over. Again, a nice clean kill. There was extremely long intervals in between each of the squirrels. This one seemed even longer, so it was time for me to open up a packet of Jaffa cakes I took with me and have a coffee. It didn't take Robin long to get into the Jaffa cakes. In fact, I think I only had 3 out the whole packet. So while we both took into the Jaffa cakes and warm tea, we sat back and enjoyed the wildlife that also joined us for the morning. Well, after yet another long wait, an empty packet of Jaffa cakes and flash, we had another squirrel come up to the feeder. No messing with this one, straight up and straight onto the feeder. Again, I thought he'd actually see us, but he didn't. Again, another good clean kill, straight to the ground. I've shown the footage also from the thermal to give you guys some sort of idea. Now, if you notice all the dust on my rifle and the background noise, it was the farm drilling directly behind us in the field. All the dust and the background noise was coming from the tractor. After yet another long delay and scanning about, me and Robin got chatting, and then I noticed a heat source from behind the feeder on the dark side, which turned out what we thought was this guy come back for another look. But as I look up to the feeder, there is a squirrel already sat on it. So no time for messing about, quick shot as he jumped off the feeder onto the branch and down he went. After giving it a good hour in the hide and nothing showing, we decided to call it a morning. After being sat in the hide since about just after 7, I was really pleased to get out and have a stretch, as you can see. Well guys, we have come to the end of my first squirrel session. I've accounted for 4 squirrels. I don't think there is that many squirrels in the area, to be honest with you, this particular area. So my plan is now is to move the hide to another location where I have another squirrel feeder situated. I think there's more squirrels in that area, so I will be moving this hide later on this week, hopefully, if we get time. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, please remember to hit the like button, and if you're a first time viewer, please remember to hit the subscribe button. This morning has been bitterly cold, so I'm ready for heading off at home for a nice warm cup of tea and a bacon sandwich. So thanks for watching, stay safe, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to check out my other videos on the channel.